If you're even thinking about joining OfferLab and you skip this, you're leaving over $5,686 in real bonuses on the table, built by someone, me, who's made every mistake trying to turn content into income. Inside this video, I'll show you exactly what's in the vault, why I built it, how it removes 90% of the friction most creators face, and how to unlock it instantly when you join through my link at OfferSnack.com. I'm not promising sales tomorrow. OfferLab literally just launched, but I'll show you why I've never been this excited about a stack in my life, because I built it for the version of me that was broke, tired, and stuck. Now you can go straight to OfferSnack.com and join OfferLab free. And the second you do, you can join our school group and access the vault. No gimmicks, just over $5,000 in tools, scripts, trainings, all free through my link. Now, I've posted videos that hit millions of views and still felt broke. I remember sitting in my office at 2 a.m, refreshing TikTok analytics, trying to convince myself I was close. My wife was asleep, another long shift at the hospital. I was eating out of a protein tub, stressed out, exhausted. That's the pain that built this vault, not from theory, not for some launch checklist. This came from years of trying to make content work and hitting the wall again and again. So when I got the chance to promote OfferLab, I knew I needed to stack the vault I wish I had. So trying to get that leverage. Now, everybody says you just need to build an audience and the money will come. No, it won't. If you don't have an offer, and even if you do have an offer, if you don't know how to present it, package it, and launch it, this still won't work. So that's what OfferLab fixes. It gives you the offer. But in this bonus vault, it gives you the infrastructure to actually use the offer. Swipe files, funnels, mindset tools, templates, real things that my business partner and I built and now stacked inside of OfferSnack. So, but before that, I wanted to tell you what you're getting when you sign up for OfferLab. It just launched, and here's kind of how it works in a very simple way. You can either create your own digital products inside the platform or promote pre-built offers and start selling instantly. So you don't need software, no monthly fees. You just join for free with my link here and you choose your offer, connect your Stripe, and you literally are good to go, which is so cool. I wish this was like here when I first started my online journey, but that's where most people stall a little bit. They don't know how to write headlines or structure content or build momentum. And that's why I created the vault, to remove some of the guesswork. And so how it all connects. OfferLab gives you the back end, and then the vault that I created, all the bonuses, gives you the front end. So you join OfferLab through my link, and I give you all these bonuses over here. That's Suresh and I, Facebook post writer, speak with our team mentor, Facebook ads, daily private training. You can clone our entire business. On the Edge audio series, like if you ever feel like you're wanting to quit, and mind body optimization blueprint. This is like if you, well, a big part of business, which most people don't understand, is the body and mind, and you need to take care of your body to be able to take care of business, which a lot of people overlook. And so honestly, also you have our community there where you can ask us questions and you'll get real feedback from 6-figure entrepreneurs. And so yeah, all you have to do is come to OfferSnack.com. You'll be able to click here, opt in, and then it'll direct you to sign up with OfferLab. So another thing that a lot of people face, they're like, yeah, but I'm not technical. I'm not ready. I don't even know what I'd sell. And I get that. Like, OfferLab is really cool, but just because you have a cool platform doesn't mean that you will 100% have success. So that's why I like to use AI in a lot of the process, using AI for templates and systems, so that it makes your life a lot easier. And so, yeah, we kind of went over through some of the bonuses, everything that you get when you sign up for the school group. And we're going to be adding to some of those bonuses just as we ask people like, hey, what are you struggling with? But we do want to let you know that when you sign up through us, just by giving it a shot, that you get all of these in our school group. So without these systems, you'll be stuck like I was, winging it, guessing it, half-built ideas everywhere. And a big thing about it, too, is a mental, like a lot of confidence in launching anything. So we're really wanting to turn the OfferLab vault from a cool idea into ready to run with it. So OfferLab's just launched, so I'm not going to sit here and pretend there's like a gazillion students getting sales yet. That'd be pretty garbage, but I built this vault from the exact stack that I use. So these are swipes that I have used, and AI agent that I personally used, and more than anything, you just have people that you can actually ask questions to and will actually answer you. And so yeah, we want to make sure that you're on the best path to success. I know that getting started there, I had a lot of questions and a lot of bottlenecks, if you will. So yeah, go ahead, go to offersnack.com and the link down below, create your free account, and we'd love to have you in our group. And I'm excited to see your progression. So, and when you're done with this video, go ahead and click the video right here. YouTube thinks this is the next video that you'll love. Thanks for watching.